Hello guys, today I will build a to-do list app using AI in my PC, in my computer, but you can see this processing in your mobile. You can see the functioning in your mobile, no problem. So let's go. Download the VS Code from Chrome or Microsoft. Now go to the VS Code and open a file named, I will name it video 1, and now copy this file to your VS Code and now write inside your file index.html. Now open the HTML main quotes. Now write whatever you needed. Now inside the body write h1. H1 means heading 1. Inside the h1 write, you can write anything, but I will write this is the heading of your website, so I will write to-do list app. Obviously I will write to-do list app, and then I will show you the website in the live preview. And now I will write h2 means heading 2, as these are the list. And now you can see this. Now I will copy these full codes in the HTML, and now I will go to ChatGPT. Now in the ChatGPT I will paste the HTML codes and I will write transform this into a full website. Give this to ChatGPT. Now you can see the ChatGPT is making it. Now you can see the ChatGPT has finally made it. Now the codes are loading. HTML codes are loading. Wait. And now after waiting, the HTML codes consist of the HTML, the CSS, and the script.js means the JavaScript. And now I will copy this I will copy these codes like this, and now I will paste these full codes inside my VS Codes video number 1 folder inside the index.html. Now you can see I already pasted this. Now you can see the preview. I'll show you. I'll write wake up time. I'll write wake up equal to 5 a.m. I'll click it, and now I'll write sleep equal to 10 p.m. and now I will add edit. Now you can see I also can delete it by typing cross, by clicking cross. Now I will go to the index.html file, and now I will go to the index.html. Now you can see I can change the styles by myself. I can change the background color of the body. I can change the color of the body. You can see by typing in the color, by clicking in the color, and I can change it to any color. Now I will go to style for the CSS. Now I will go to container. I can change the color of the container also. I change the color of the container to yellow. Now I will go to script.js. Now you can see the script.js is fully fine, but you can change this by pasting the code again in ChatGPT to transform this into a full bashed website. But I will keep it simple now because it's just the beginning. Now you should follow me for more videos about coding and AI, because I'll try to make you because I'll try to teach you about this all. So this is how you can make websites by using AI. You can make any websites using AI, but for me you should also check the codes. So for checking codes you should learn the coding from basics. You should learn the coding from basics, not from advanced to become pro. So that's all. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.